Myth or truth? Drinking cough syrup can help you get pregnant. Have you heard about the latest TTC trend making rounds on social media? Some folks are claiming that drinking cough syrup could be your ticket to baby town. Let's dive into this interesting theory. It's a myth. We understand why this idea has gained traction online. The theory suggests that guaifenesin, found in some cough medicines, might help thin cervical mucus, just like it thins mucus in your airways. However, there's currently no reliable scientific evidence supporting this approach. More importantly, taking medications that aren't prescribed for fertility purposes could potentially interfere with your conception journey or have unintended effects. Here's what actually works for supporting your fertility journey. Keep that water bottle close. Staying hydrated is key. Fill your plate with nutrient-rich foods that your body loves. Get moving with some feel-good exercise. Build a great relationship with your healthcare provider. Don't forget, your body is already a baby-making superhero. No cough syrup cape required. Just keep doing what you're doing and let nature work its magic. Now go forth and create that little miracle the old-fashioned way. Subscribe to TTC and chill, because the more support we get, the more myths we bust. And let's be real, there are a lot of them.